Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngibona la online bafethu uvele ubhale i-message ukuthi uthi gratefully to have made i-debut yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-Amazing Club. Kusho ukuthi acknowledge ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team e-powerful, e-strong and nawe ujabule kakhulu ukuthi ukwazile ukudlala for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And I think ukwazile ukudeliver kahle laphana kuleya match leya bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu. I mean, ucreate ama-chances awu-2 ama-golden opportunities laphana esayidini lakhe. But unfortunately, I think Igataro, the one that is squared, and then defender that little blocker, Lami Polo Shange shot, and then this other one up in the Alfaga Futi. So he was lively, Bonile speed, Isakela Gakul. Guess what? Uvele akusiyi position yakhe ngeke ngayisho akusiyi position yakhe udlala kule position le ka Modi le comfortable kuyo kakhulu but ku versatile. Igataro man of the moment uzi-announcile kahle bafethu ku Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, what is star striker bafethu? Hey, the man is powerful. Yo, super powerful. Second game yakhe lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs but already wenze impact bafethu. Hey isingisi. Usharp, I mean i-positioning yakhe and the good reaction quick bafethu is calm in terms of finishing. Okay, well he is calm in fact, but there's a sense of aggression with bit of arrogance that is needed from a football player. Simbonile ukuthi ushayile ishot la shaya ibhale, right? So unama pure instinct in terms of ukuba i-striker. Ugudi kakhulu already ama-fans abe super excited bayabona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo uyafuna ngempela ukuyidlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean bekalwela laphana ama-second ball amaningi apress ama-defender create space for abanye ukuthi ba-attack. I mean le striker lesasenigeria bafethu sifitha kahle kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ubonisile ihanga laphana egamini yakhe overall. I think this is something that has been missing for i-Kaizer Chiefs for some time. I mean i-link up play yakhe na wonke laphana ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs wonke ama-player bewadlala laphana ku-attack bafethu ba-create. Yazi Igataro wenze i-Kaizer Chiefs even nalabo bekadlala nabo babonakala be-powerful. Why? Because he's able to be mobile, uyakwazi ukuhlala eboxini, uyakwazi ukuzilandela ibhola. Ayibo lo muntu akamisanga ne-trapping yodwa. Uyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuthi abantu ba-trap ibhola nje mhlawumbe lisuke lize emoyeni but-ke nabe ka-compete angazi ukuthi uheda amabhola angaki laphana emoyeni. Important for Kaizer Chiefs. Hhayi as things stand Igataro ngathi uye bafethu ozolwela i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana azame ngempela ukuthola ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs. They don't bury their opportunities but confidence ya-Igataro akatatazeli kuwupholele nje laphana egrawundini udlala nje uzele ukuzodeliver ama-results, that's it. Okunye nokunye kuzoba ibonus kuye but-ke what a player bafethu. Ulo and then uvele other side naye simbonile efika edlala kahle kakhulu njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ucreate ama-opportunities overall 2 years later bafethu. Laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, yeah. Lebohang Maboy for the first time simbone edlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean ugcina ukudlala for some time naye cause ngoJune azange aye ku-pre-season because he was not announced yet. Bebafuna ukubona ukuthi uzo-recover from whatever is going through and lucky enough he did recover. So bona ukuthi uzokwazi ukulwela i-Kaizer Chiefs kanjani noma kangakanani whenever is given ama-opportunities laphana ukuthi akwazi ukudlala laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Badlala be-exciting laba badlala abasha at least uvele bayesedlalile ulokhunjana Igataro naye and then manje uLebohang Maboy. uMarco udlalile, uThabiso Munyane naye already udlalile ziplay elisha. We're still waiting for abanye. Danko bafethu ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. It's making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku 15,000 subscribers.